Welcome. You are listening Radio Central News. I am Vikrant Dogra and now news in detail. India reported 276,110 new cases of the novel coronavirus in the past 24 hours, taking the total number of infections in the country to 2 crore 57 lakh 72,400 according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Thursday. Besides, the country also saw 3,874 more fatalities due to the virus, pushing the toll to 2,87,122. On Wednesday, the country recorded 4,529 deaths, the highest since the outbreak of the pandemic last year. The active case load in the country is 31,29,878, comprising 12.14% of the total infections, while 2 crore 23 lakh 55,440 people have recovered from disease so far, amounting 86.74% of the recovery rate. Meanwhile, the case fatality rate is 1.11%. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR), 32 crore 23 lakh 56,187 samples have been tested so far for coronavirus, of which record 20 lakh 55,010 tests were conducted in the past one day. On the vaccination front, total 18 crore 70 lakh 9,792 people have been vaccinated across the country till now, of which 11 lakh 66,090 doses administered in the past 24 hours. With 38 people on board a barge that sank in the Arabian Sea 4 days ago still missing, Indian Navy ships worked through the night using searchlights to trace any movement in the pitch dark waters, as hopes of finding more survivors began to recede on Thursday. The Navy on Thursday morning launched a fresh aerial search and rescue mission, deploying helicopters to scour the waters off Mumbai coast, where the accommodation barge P-305 went adrift in cyclone Tauktae fury before it sank Monday. As many as 37 personnel on board the barge are dead and 38 still missing, after Navy personnel battling extreme weather so far rescued 186 of the 261 people who were on board the barge P-305 and 2 personnel from tugboat Varaparada. Naval ships INS Kochi on Wednesday morning and INS Kolkata late Wednesday night brought the bodies of these brave nature's victims to Mumbai, a Navy spokesperson told PTI. Chances of finding more survivors are looking bleak, another official said. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Thursday announced that the Delhi government will open dedicated centers for the treatment of black fungus disease in LNJP Hospital, GTB Hospital and Rajiv Gandhi Hospital in the city. The decision was taken during a high-level meeting convened by Mr. Kejriwal to tackle the rising cases of black fungus in Delhi. Dedicated centers for mucormycosis treatment center will be established at LNJP, GTB and Rajiv Gandhi Hospital with term of specialized doctors constituted at each center for efficient functioning. Roadside bomb blast in the southern Afghan province of Helmand on Thursday morning claimed 9 civilian lives, including women and children. Tolan News quoted a source saying that the blast took place in Bushra area in Lashkargad city's District 10. The source said a civilian vehicle was hit by a roadside bomb. 2 more children were wounded in the blast, he added. No group has so far claimed responsibility for the blast. On Thursday, lost another 337.78 points to settle at 49,564.86 in volatile trade, as selling pressure was seen in metal, materials, bankex and energy stocks. The Nifty fell by 124.10 points to 14,906.05. In opening trade, the Sensex rose by 69 points to 49,971.52. It surged by 197 points to 50,099.17 days high. Later, it tumbled down 506 points to 49,496.78. Days low before closing at 49,564.86, sliding by 337.78 points from its previous close. The Sensex registered days high and low at 50,099.17 and 49,496.78 points respectively. The Nifty recorded days high and low at 15,069.80 and 14,884.90 points respectively. The sectoral indices like metal, materials, bankex, energy, and oil and gas stocks kept the market weak for the second day today. In scripts, ONGC was a top loser, fell by 2.70% to rupees 111.80, followed by Power Grid and Sun Pharma by more than 2 points each. Axis Bank and HDFC Bank by 1% each. The mid cap fell by 0.16%, while small cap rose by 0.22%. In 30 scripts, 8 advanced while 22 declined. That's all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.